Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Imagine losing all your hard work on your cPanel website just because you didn't back it up. That's a nightmare, right? Well, let's avoid that scenario and learn how to back up your cPanel website together. With the growing importance of having a solid online presence, you need a reliable backup plan. In this guide, we'll show you exactly how to back up your cPanel website, making sure your data is always secure and ready when you need it most. Let's start with the different types of backups. There are different types of cPanel website backups, each with its own perks and pitfalls. We'll look at three main types: full backup, partial backup, and incremental backup. 1. Full backup. A full backup is like a snapshot of everything on your website. It includes all your files, databases, email accounts, and settings. A full backup captures everything, making it easy to restore your website exactly as it was. You can bring your website back to life with just one backup file. However, creating a full backup can take a while, especially for large websites. Also, full backups need a lot of storage space. 2. Partial backup. A partial backup lets you back up specific parts of your website instead of everything. Hence, you can pick and choose what to back up, making it quicker and more efficient. It also takes up less storage space. On the other side, you might have to piece together multiple partial backups. Additionally, if you forget to back up something important, you could lose critical data. 3. Incremental backup. An incremental backup only backs up the data that has changed since the last backup. Benefits of incremental backup over full backup includes efficiency. They are faster to create because they only capture changes. Storage savings, less storage space needed, reduced bandwidth usage. This means it's easier on your bandwidth, great for websites with limited resources. Before you start backing up your cPanel website, it's essential to prepare your environment to ensure a successful and efficient backup process. First, access cPanel. Open a web browser and navigate to your website's domain name followed by /cPanel. For example, yourwebsite.com/cPanel. Enter your credentials. Second, ensure you have sufficient storage space available. In cPanel, navigate to the Files section and click on Disk Space Usage. Review the storage space used by your website. Manage and optimize space if needed by removing unused files or upgrading your hosting plan. Third, choose your backup type and set the frequency. Navigate to the Backup section in cPanel. Select the type of backup you want to perform. Set how often you want to perform backups: daily, weekly, or monthly. Fourth, configure email notifications. Enable email notifications in the Backup section. Choose the type of notifications you want to receive: backup success or failure. How do you performing a full backup? Making a full backup is easy and ensures all your data is stored securely. Let's walk through the steps. Navigate to the Backup section in cPanel. Click on Full Backup. Choose where to store the backup: home directory or remote FTP server. Enter your email address for notifications. Click Generate Backup. Once the backup is done, you'll get an email notification. If you saved it in your home directory, go to Files, File Manager in cPanel. Look for the backup file, right-click on the backup file, and select Download. Next up is performing partial backups. First, to backup home directory, go to the Backup section in cPanel. Click on the Home Directory link in the Partial Backups area. Download the backup file. Next, to backup MySQL databases, in the Partial Backups area, find Download a MySQL database backup. Click on the database name to generate and download the backup file. Lastly, to backup email forwarders and filters, go to the Email section in cPanel. Click on Forwarders and manually note down the settings or take a screenshot. Repeat the process for email filters. You can save time by automating backups using cPanel's Backup Wizard. To do this, go to the Backup Wizard in cPanel. Choose between a full or partial backup. Enter your email address for notifications. Click Generate Backup. Next, set up cron jobs. Go to the cron job section in cPanel. Set the timing for the job. Enter the command to execute your backup script. Click Add New Cron Job. And there you have it. You can now back up your cPanel website smoothly. Whenever needed, you can restore your website from the backups, getting back lost data, or reverting to a previous version if something goes wrong. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to TrueHost Academy for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.